Hello student, today in this video we are going to understand formatting text in OpenOffice Writer. Okay, first of all, you already know that OpenOffice Writer is a application software and it's a package of OpenOffice. It is similar as MS Office Word. Here we can write information, type any information, letter, okay, or any paragraph. But in this section we are going to understand how to format the OpenOffice Writer. So let me understand few tasks is there. It's given like you have to find and replace a word. This is our first task. So let me understand how we can find and replace a word in OpenOffice Writer. We will do this thing practically. Okay. You can see that concept is given, that a story is given at some place the word cow is typed instead of wolf. Okay, maybe sometime you have written a paragraph and you by mistaken you have written wrong name everywhere. So that time if you want to change that name from whole paragraph, for that you have to go on each and every word, then delete, then again you have to type. In that situation you have to just use this find and replace button, and with the help of this find and replace button, only once you have to type the name which you want to replace, you have to find. Only once you have to just type the name that you want to find, and then the second name you have to write which you want to replace, and in that way you can replace whole word from the paragraph which you want to actually replace with some other thing. Okay. Like here it is, a paragraph is given and you see that everywhere cow is written and I want a wolf. Okay, so with the help of this find and replace button you can do it. I'm going to show this the same thing with my own few lines is written. I will show you practically. Let's see how it works. So here it is, OpenOffice Writer software is there. Okay, and now I want to change open, this word. I want to change this open with magic. Okay, I want to change open, wherever open is written I want to change this open with magic. So for that you can see here it is, a binocular type of figure is given. As you place your cursor over here you can see find and replace button is given. Name is displaying, that name of this binocular is find and replace. Control plus F is actually a shortcut. You can do that also, or by the help of this button, as you click you will get one dialog box. One kind of box will appear on your screen. Let's see, I'm going to replace my open word from whole paragraph. So I have written open. That is what for search. In for search button you have to write open because I want to search this word open. So this is what find all. I click find all because I want everywhere. So you can see in the paragraph open, here it is written blue in color, then open, this is also in blue in color, and now I will write the word that by which it will be replaced. So I write in replace section, replace with, so I write with magic. I've written magic, and then that also you have to click here replace all. So as you click replace all, automatically this open, wherever open is written, it will be replaced with magic. Let's see, I'm going to click replace all. As you click replace all, it will ask you that search key replace two items. So you have to click yes, okay, then close. So you can see that everywhere open, this magic is there. Now here also instead of open, magic is written. I hope student you have understood how this open and replace button works. Try to perform this practically at your home. Thank you student.